Hello and welcome back to Malt Miller HQ. I'm joined here today with Martin, and today we are going to give you a video about a cardboard box apparently.
Not just any cardboard box, Rob. Inside this box I have for you today the new Grainfather G30 V3.
So here we have it, Grainfather G30 V3. Let's have a look at a little bit of the history of the Grainfather product.
G30 for me, Rob, I've got a huge passion for this product. You know, this is one of the things that really got me into all grain brewing.
Yep.
I bought mine in 2016. It was just before they released this Bluetooth controller, so you bought that as an update 6 to 12 months after. And ever since then, they've kind of just kept on adding to the product and building it and keeping it up to date.
Because it's a modular product, they can do that. So the first thing was, like you say, the controller, adding the Bluetooth. And of course, they actually introduced the app as well. And that was actually a game-changing product for the Grainfather community.
Oh, I love the app. I mean, I save all of my recipes on there. I don't have to have my scrappy notebook anymore. And the fact that actually I brew on different size systems, G40 and a G70, I can scale all the recipes in there. And it's such a great community to find other people's recipes.
Martin, let's kick off. What's changed?
Okay, so let's look at the main product itself. It's had some slight little updates, you know, like it's got the new branding, the new logo. It's no longer embossed on there. You know, the controllers coming with the lugs fitted on there. The reset switch is no longer in the bottom. It's actually the on-off switch on the side. Other than that, the whole rest of the body stays as it was on the previous Grainfather.
So basically, they're the cosmetic changes. The big update is this malt pipe. Now they've taken the learnings from some of their other products and now we have it for the G30. Can you just talk us through that?
Yes, so what they've done, Rob, is they've actually taken the same style of basket you use on the G40 and the G70, which means you lose that center pipe, the overflow pipe. You've also got a new bottom plate, so there's no hole in the center.
And that's taken on the rolled edges of the plates.
Yeah, so you haven't got to deal with any of those silicone and you haven't got to buy any additional plates if you wanted to remove the silicone. The other great thing is you haven't got the top plate on there. So you've got basically the same kit off the G40 and the G70 now on the best-selling model in their range.
It makes it far easier to sparge as well, because when you pull up that malt pipe, you've actually got a bigger surface area for the mash to drain through.
Yeah, and you've got those channels down the side which help it just free flow.
Yeah, so this is going to be a far, far easier and more efficient, even more efficient product to brew on.
Well, Rob, there's only one way to really tell. Let's brew on it.
And you know, I really fancy an ESB.
So Rob, that's your brew done. What do you think of the new G30?
I absolutely loved it. Look, I think that the basis of this is it's not a groundbreaking new product, but what it does do is it puts the G30 in line with the updates on the rest of the products. And as we've seen with the rest of the products, it's a fantastic update. It really addresses one of the lesser parts of the older G30 and it improves it no end and just makes the brew day a whole bunch easier.
I mean, when you think about it, when the G30 launched, what it did was brilliant, but it has just like you say, just taking it back up to the modern day.
It just keeps on evolving, which makes it an absolutely fantastic product. And like I say, now it brings it more in line with both the G40 and the G70. The addition of that new malt pipe without the center tube just makes sparging easier and doughing in so much easier, and the cleanup as well. It's just as easy to brew on the G30 now as it is on the G40.
So thanks very much for watching our video. Hope you like the look of the new G30. Any questions, any comments, please pop them down below and we'll get back to you as soon as we can.
And of course, always remember, you can follow us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Have a great brew.